dialogue between two friends about aim in life or choice of career.
Hello Jamal, how are you?
Fine, thank you. And how about you?
I'm also fine, Jamal. We are students. We must choose our career now. Am I right?
You are quite right. Success in life depends on the right choice of career.
We must choose our career properly. May I know your choice of career?
Yes, of course. I have decided to become a doctor. Do you like this profession?
Yes, I do. It is a good profession. Could you tell me why you have chosen this profession?
Most of our people are deprived of the service of the doctors.
Yes, there are shortage of good doctors in our country. They people who live in the villages cannot consult a good doctor.
I want to serve the people.
Are you willing to go to the villagers if necessary?
Yes, of course. Through this profession I will be able to earn money honestly. Well, could you tell me about your choice of career?
Of course. I want to be an agriculture officer.
Most students like to be doctor, engineer or administrator. Why not you?
Our country is an agricultural country. Our economy depends on agriculture.
Yes, it is right. Please tell me about your plan.
I will get myself admitted into an agricultural university. After completing my education I will join the service of agriculture cadre. I will make research on agriculture.
It's a noble profession too.
I'll teach the farmers about the modern method of cultivation.
I appreciate your plan.
Choosing career is not enough. We must work hard to fulfill our plan.
Of course. We must do well in the board examination, otherwise we will not be able to become a doctor or an agriculture officer.
Of course. Thank you, Jamal. It was really nice speaking to you.
You're welcome always, my dear friend.